Today I'm making a Big Ben clock. I've prepared one clock movement, one sticker and one cardboard. First I printed the face of the Big Ben clock on adhesive paper. Now I attach the sticker to the cardboard. After that I can cut it with a circle cutter. I got the cardboard from old packaging. Now I punch a hole into it. It needs to be sanded for a flush fit. I put the shaft of the clock movement through the hole of the clock face. Now I put the washer on and screw the nut tight. First I attach the hour end, then minute and second. I adjusted the clock face size in proportion to the hands. Now I put the battery in. It is alive. The Big Ben clock is done. Gothic style Roman numerals are harder to read. The original in London looks better. Thank you for watching and liking my video.